Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Lotus Cortina. This casting is by Hotwheels. It's new for 2025 and it's a compact kings. So I think if you haven't seen before, there's a Alfa Romeo, which is also part of a compact king. So these are European cars, smaller but yet fast in front of that kind of thing. Yeah, so it looks nice. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Cortina out of its box. First thing first, the paint. That looks really nice with the beige and the green accents. Looks really cool. Let's start from the front. Up front, you've got a black grille, round headlamps like most of the classic cars, but they are not detailed. Also got this looks like a shaved bumper, so it's not like a full bumper. It looks like it's a shaved one. Got number 71, and it does read console on this vent. I'm not sure what that means, might have to Google it. Also got the windshield wipers, no mirrors though. Now, this is a European model if I'm not wrong. So the steering should be on the right side. I haven't seen it yet. And yes, it is. So this is the driver's side. And as you can see, you've got this green paint going all the way from front to back. Another yellow stripe in between. Reads Team Lotus, 2-door. There's no window in the door here, so you can go in. This one has glass there. Wheels, we have seen on different Hot Wheels, and they do look all right on like older cars, especially with the smaller size. They look like steel wheels with hubcaps. If you look at the bottom, you also got here the Lotus logo on the side, on the rear fender. Looks good. I love the shape of these older cars. They look really nice. They're compact, so they look so good. Coming to the back, again the tail lamps are not detailed, but look at that design, the flare. It looks really nice. Again, it's like I think it's more like olive green rather than racing green. It looks nice. So the entire rear end is covered in that color. Bumpers again in the beige theme. And if you look here, the fuel filter looks to be in the middle there. I'm not sure how, or maybe it's a racing car, so that's why it's in the middle. So they can, they fill it from the top. They have that big can, so yeah. So that's why it might be in the center. Looks nice. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the exhaust coming from the side, which looks cool, really cool. This is how the base looks, and this is how it looks from the top. One thing I noticed, which I rarely see in Hot Wheels, is that the interior here is finished in black, but the base is as the same color as the body. So normally what happens, whatever color the base is, Hot Wheels does the same color of the seats. So they went an extra mile to do that. So hats off to Hot Wheels for that. Does look good, because if they did the same one, it would have looked so bland. Yeah, it's a good job, Hot Wheels there. Apart from that, it's a really good looking casting. And if they had detailed headlamp and tail lamp, it would have made it look even better. But that's not a big deal. Older cars, round headlamps, easy to detail. So should you get one? Hell yeah. It's a nice casting. Looks really good, especially with this, slightly tips coming out, or wings coming down the side. And it's a Lotus Cortina. It's always nice to have a Lotus in collection. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.